Now Susan and I are out here at the garden. The garden's all been stripped off on this side. We've got all the posts out. You can see the posts sticking out of the back of the RTV. That was a job. Anyway, Susan is right now pulling up cardboard. This cardboard saved us a lot of hoeing. And we are going to see if we can burn that today. We can feel a front coming in. Got a little wind going now. Susan's been pulling vines, man, eggplant vines, pepper plants, tomato vines, and she just about got it ready to till. Anyway, I'm going to go grab a fire rake and pull up the rest of this cardboard and stack it up and see if we can have a little fire going. And over here, this turned into a weed patch here where we had the potatoes. Got some okras there that are way too far gone to eat. Got some marigolds and little bumblebees.
All over.
Bumblebees are all over these marigolds. I feel sorry for them. You know, they've already raised their queens. The queens have gone and found a place already to go over winter. Oh, that's a little, is that a bumblebee or a honeybee there? That looks like a little bumblebee. Yeah. Anyway, there, yeah, that's a little bumblebee. Anyway, and so the workers left in the bumblebee nests are still out here trying to survive, but they're doomed. You can see the wings on that little critter are worn out. Kind of sad. But they've done their work for the year, and their new queens have gone off to be ready to start new colonies next year. Anyway, we're going to be tilling these under. So, anyway, garden looks kind of sad now. I see another little bumblebee over there. And that.
Yeah, we should have tilled this up earlier, but hey,
yeah.
Time sometimes gets away from me.
This one looks like it's got pretty good wings yet. They aren't tattered like that other one. Now this one over here is tattered pretty good. Represents a lot of work. Anyway, and turnip patch didn't do too good. I think Susan found one big turnip, got a couple of little turnips there.
I kind of pooped out on getting it taken care of.
Yeah, so. Anyway, the weeds got away from us in here. I think we got a total of 3 turnips so far.
We got tired.
Yeah, we wore out. Oh, there's one. Pull that. Yeah, I got a turnip there.
Yeah, sort of.
It's a little turnip. Make a mouthful. Okie doke. Thank you for visiting. I got to get back to work. You got your big turnip there, or is it at the house already?
It's right here.
Oh, good. Yeah, let's see that.
What? Oh.
Your big turnip. Oh, yeah. Look at that one. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those peppers in there. Oh, boy. Okie doke. Yeah, we'll have us a little fire here.
Still have dill and parsley.
Yeah, we got dill and parsley in here.
A few green onions. I can
got a little bit of lettuce. I think it's kind of over the hill.
Just
and that chestnut tree has got to be dug this winter. We can't leave this another year. That's 2 years from a nut. Isn't that a lovely chestnut tree? 2 years from a nut. So, and then down here on the end we got sprouts from persimmons popping up all over our asparagus patch. So we're gonna clip those off and very carefully paint some herbicide on them. We don't want to kill our asparagus. And also got a mulberry down there. That green one, that's a mulberry. Get rid of him. So we're not done gardening. We got maintenance to do out here. Susan, let me grab the.
I will.
Let me go grab the rake and we'll move those with the rake.
I got a little of it though.
Okie doke. Oh, we have a lovely
Thank you all for visiting.
Catch you all later. Back to work. Burning our cardboard, some of the straw mulch we had. Got her piled up. Susan lit her up and we got her going. This will take a while to burn. There's a lot of that cardboard is damp from being down on the ground, but not soppy, just damp, and a lot of it's dry. So after that burns a while, we'll punch around a rake on it, it'll finish burning then. Lots of smoke. There's all those posts out of the garden. Yeah. Stacked our trellises out in the woods. And we've got some tomato cages here. And more tomato cages out in the woods. Anyway, we're done gardening right now, but not done with the work on the garden. Anyway, when this gets done, we want to till that. We've got some mushroom compost to put out here. Put it out, spread it around, and then we'll be ready to garden next spring. Need a little wind, don't we?
We need something. We got it too dense, I guess.
Yeah, I didn't figure it'd fall in that tight, but it sure has.
I forgot my gloves.
Yeah, that'll burn. Okay, well, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to punch around with the rake a little bit. So, thank you very much for visiting.